wonderful, just what I needed. A flat tire in the rain, I'm so happy. Great weather, I said to the storm, I'm absolutely boiling. Saying the opposite of what you mean, the most sarcastic face you've ever seen. You're a genius when you made a mistake. Give me a break, give me a break. Irony, sarcasm, understatement too. It's a little bit breezy in a typhoon. He's not the sharpest tool in the shed. Better than saying he's stupid instead. British humor, dry and cold. A story of wit that must be told. Not exactly thrilled, I hate it. It cost a few pennies, you can't debate it. It cost a fortune, millions of pounds. Listen to the sarcastic sounds. Thanks a lot for ruining my day, finding a clever and witty way. Irony, sarcasm, understatement too. It's a little bit breezy in a typhoon. He's not the sharpest tool in the shed. Better than saying he's stupid instead. British humor, dry and cold. A story of wit that must be told. Litotes, negative to express positive. Not bad, not good, not unlike. He's no fool. Master the tone. Oh, I love this song. Do I? It's not terrible. It's great. Irony. Sarcasm, understatement too. It's a little bit breezy in a typhoon. He's not the sharpest tool in the shed. Better than saying he's stupid instead. Irony, sarcasm, understatement too. It's a little bit breezy in a typhoon. He's not the sharpest tool in the shed. Better than saying he's stupid instead. British humor, dry and cold. A story of wit that must be told. Litotes, negative to express positive. Not